I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the document and immediately launching the Find tool. This saves time and avoids needless navigation. Tell yourself the exact phrase you want to change and select the scope, current file, or entire project, because that choice controls impact. Turn on case sensitivity or whole word only if you need precision. Once done, scan the first few matches to confirm the selection works as expected before moving to replacements. This prevents broad mistakes. You now open the Replace pane and enter the replacement text while keeping the original visible. Use regular expressions or wildcards when patterns repeat. These powerful tools let you match digits, punctuation, or variable text. However, always test a few matches first to ensure the pattern does exactly what you expect, because rejects can be unforgiving. Make sure to preview or use a replace /find next workflow to control changes, rather than you finish by applying replacements carefully. Prefer replace one or replace and find to monitor changes, and only use replace all when confident. After finishing, immediately run another search for the original term and the new term to verify completeness and catch partial matches. If something goes wrong, undo instantly and restore from backups or version control. This protects your work. One troubleshooting tip: if unexpected matches occur, refine your pattern or enable whole word /case options and rerun the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.